to my channel. I'm Tia and I upload 4 times a week, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday. So if you haven't subscribed, please do so. If you have, thanks so much. Today we're doing a wig show and tell. This is a wig that I've actually had for quite a while. In a wig I don't know if I forgot to review it or forgot that I didn't review it or whatever. I was looking through wigs and noticed that I was positive that I had not reviewed this. So we're doing it today. This is Miss DP Sola? Yeah, DP Sola. This is from Motown Tress. Okay, she's got the curved parting. She is heat safe up to 400 degrees. It does have a finished length indicated at 10 inches. I have her in the color RT1B/teal blue. This color here is super cute. This is the RT2/honey blonde. I really like that. It comes in, you know, a few colors here. Some more specialty colors it comes in, just like to be fun or whatever. I scooped her up from Poshmark, but I'll put all of the information down below as where you can scoop her up. So yeah, I forgot about this wig. She reminds me so much of a wig that I reviewed, which was Outray's Avery, and I had that in like a matte purple color. It's got this really deep right-sided part. Very comfortable, yaki texture in the hair. Let's look at her from the back. Yeah, super, super, super cute. Yeah, wig cap is comfortable. I wouldn't say that it's a large wig cap per se. Yeah, it probably is more of a larger wig cap. I don't have the combs in or anything. I definitely know that I could just yank this right off. And when I'm pulling down on the back, I have a lot of room to pull it down, like almost down my neck. Motown Tress to me either goes one way or another. They're either a really large wig cap or they're really small. And they're usually really small, like from here to here, not necessarily overall. But I really enjoy this wig. This would be so cute. I wish I had her in more of a natural color and I would probably wear her like a lot. This teal blue color is super cute, but it obviously is not like an everyday wear situation. But if you're doing like a fun little party thing or you just wanted something to jazz up, it would be really, really nice. This sort of yaki texture, I'm getting a little bit of shedding, but like I said, I've had it for quite a while. This sort of yaki texture is really easy to like keep in place. You could go crazy and really like swoop these bangs if you wanted to. You know how I feel about bangs. No, you could do like a real cute little sexy thing like this. But because of the texture, you can also push it over to the side and it stays, which is so nice. So yeah, this was really like quick and easy for DP Sola. And if you have this wig, please put that down below. If you have it in another color, especially more of like either a browner color or like a blondie type mix, let me know what you think of her. If there's another Motown Tress wig you would like me to review, please put that down below as well. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. If you have, thanks so much. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.